Good morning. Cheers to coffee. Yes, I woke up super inspired today and I am ready to take on 2024. We are not playing small this year. We are definitely going to go after what we want in life and what will make us happy. The key is to just keep ourselves motivated because time and time again, I don't know if you can relate, but 2024 starts really strong, or the year starts really strong, and then we slowly fade off of our visions and our time on task. So we need to create a schedule that is goal-oriented, but also keeps us excited. And we have to schedule recovery and self-love time that will also re-inspire us and not stay burnt out and low. Comment 2024 below and you can receive the 12-week year plan that I use and I update every quarter that keeps me motivated and keeps me on schedule. We have to create a schedule around this. Also, let me know in the comments what you do that keeps you motivated and re-inspires you. Sharing is caring. Cheers to 2024, a new year.